No more H&M for me. And it's obvious why I say that, because recently there's been a buzz online, mostly in North America, about H&M and ad campaign that they recently put out. The ad campaign, I don't know what to say. The ad campaign was a blatant insult to black people on a whole. And even though some people refute that clarity, it's obvious. I know a lot of people says black people are very sensitive when it comes to issue, and we pull the race card for every little reason. But where this is concerned, come on now. I mean, this is the 21st century. Black people are way more literate than we were, said 100 years ago. And I'm in the business of publishing. So I know that that hoodie that says "coolest monkey in the jungle" didn't just pop up on a photo shoot where a black kid was supposed to wear it. First of all, let's take the kids out of the picture. Take a white kid out of the picture, take a black kid out of the picture. Who in their right mind came up with the idea to put the coolest monkey in the jungle on a shirt to begin with? You know? So before we even got race involved, it was stupid, it was ridiculous, it was an idiotic idea to put the coolest monkey in the jungle on a t-shirt. I mean, who was going to wear it? If a white person wore it, it's still a very stupid remark. And if a black person wore it, it is an insult. Why? Because black people has always been referred as monkeys where racism is concerned. So it was obvious that this was going to create an uproar. Okay, so after this t-shirt was designed, H&M or their marketers or their buyers, who in their right mind look at this one and go, "Oh, the coolest monkey, this isn't okay in print. We're going to put it on the H&M brand." So that's where the mistake or the error. You see, I don't know anyone in H&M personally, so I can't say H&M intended to create a racial uproar, and I can't say it was done in error. I could give them the benefit of the doubt. I mean, what saddens me about this whole thing is I'm an H&M fan. 20% of my wardrobe is from H&M, you know? And this saddens me because now I don't know what to believe. The simple fact that they thought it was appropriate to market a hoodie that says "the coolest monkey in the jungle," that's enough for me to say no more H&M for me. That's it. I'm not telling everyone else not to buy an H&M, but I would say to a black person, do not support H&M for the simple fact that the apology that they gave compared to the offense that was made, they don't measure up, they don't balance out. We're humans, we make mistakes, but this mistake, you know, people slip and fall. People don't slip and approve the coolest monkey in the jungle on a hoodie and then take it to a photo shoot where you got black kids and white kids, and then someone go, "Ooh, I think the black kid would look better in the one that says the coolest monkey in the jungle, and I think the white kid would look better in the hoodie that says survival expert." It was an insult to black race. It was an insult to the intellect of black people. I don't know, maybe someone in H&M thought it would be funny or to test our intellect to see, let's see if the blacks would catch on to this. I'm not saying that was the decisions that was made, but earlier I was watching CNN and they showed all the people that was the head of H&M, and I believe there were 12 people. And the sad thing about the 12, they were all white people. And I'm not saying white people are racist. What I'm saying, it's good to integrate. It's good to get to know your customers. It's good to get to know what your customers like. And it also gets good to get to know your customers' mentality or even their sensitivity level. To put a black kid in a hoodie that says the coolest monkey in the jungle and a white kid in a hoodie that says survival expert. Total insult. Total insult. And I'm not saying H&M can't save the day, but what I'm saying, with the apology that they've issued, that's not going to cut it for me. And unless H&M step up to the plate and don't give us any cockamamie BS and says it was a mistake and we're going to check down the line to see who done it and then we're going to take necessary. That's not going to do it for black people. That's not going to do it for their fashion line. So I took the time out today to do a quick video, express my anger on H&M for allowing that t-shirt to be marketed, moreover to be approved in a magazine and be advertised. So H&M, step up to the plate. You know, you're going to lose a whole lot of customers behind this, and you're going to lose maybe your whole fashion line. You know, I'm not saying your business rely only on us black people, but I'm saying a lot of the money that goes in your till comes from black people.